This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. I'm in the Costco. Look at these big old plants, you guys. I'm gonna try and see the name or whatever is on there. I can see. Try not to move so fast. Well, those are some big tree plants. Oh, they got some lavender. Ooh, she gonna do a lot of gardening. I'm not gonna get her facing it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, look at that lavender, you guys. Pretty. Okay. I'm about to move on. You guys, it smells over here so bad with that fertilizer. Oh my God, look at that. I'm coming. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. The price of this shed, y'all want somewhere to store y'all food, is $800. It's pretty roomy in there. Thanks for your time and support.